Hi, Principals Leadership 2. This is week 12 with Mrs. Brown. Our topic this week is human shuffle. Let's go ahead and take a look at the learning concepts and goals for this activity. The learning concepts include teamwork and group dynamics, setting and achieving a goal, and communication skills. The goals are that participants will learn to work as a team, strengthen communication skills, clarify challenges that can arise even with an obvious group goal in mind. Let's go ahead and think about this activity for a moment. So obviously, I would have us really do this activity live if we were able to do it. Unfortunately, in our setting, we're not able to do it live, but I'm still going to require your brain to work. So let's go ahead and take a look at the directions of this if I were able to give them to you live. You're going to do the activity called the human shuffle. This is not a competition. The object of this activity is for everyone on one side of the line to exchange places with everyone on the other side without stepping off the path. You are divided into two teams based on where the middle of the line is, but really you all need to work together to achieve this goal. You can keep moving forward, but you cannot move backward, and you will ultimately change places exactly. For example, if you are third in line now, you'll be third in line when you have moved to the other side of the path. By exchanging places, you will create a mirror reflection of what your group looks like now. So let's go ahead and take an image of this and kind of figure out what this is all about. This would be kind of the setup. You have all of these people kind of bungled together in one lane, which is the white part between the two darker pink lines, okay? So you have to kind of basically create a mirror image of yourself on the opposite side, but as it mentions, you cannot step off your path to get there. And if you are first in this line over here, you have to be first in this line over here. If you're second, you need to be second over here, etc., all the way down, depending on how many people are in your group. So you get split in half at the very beginning. You all have to be on the same line, which is the middle part section, but you have to move to be in the right position where you're a mirror image of each other. Sounds pretty easy, but it might be a challenge for you. So here's what I would like you to do. Since we can't do this live, obviously, I would like you to still use your brain to share with me the strategy that you would use to solve this challenge. And obviously, if you're able to do that, you are leading your group. So you're going to write for me a brief explanation in an email on how you would participate in this activity and how you would lead your group. Then you're going to go into Blackboard and answer some questions about the think and write about it for this activity. If you have any questions this week, as always, contact Mrs. Brown. Thanks. I'm really excited to hear what you come up with.